fellow South Africans, hey, I'm so disappointed on. I think kumele ngimbize ngegama once. uJulius Malema, i-leader ye-EFF. That's the way bengimthanda ngakhona uMalema Joe. Malema bengimthanda, ngibona ngathi Malema uzoyishintsha iSouth Africa yenze a better country, but wow, this guy ujikile lately Joe. I don't know ukuthi bamfeature ini, I don't know ukuthi yini bamdlisa yona, something like bamdlisa yona, because they were acting ngakhona these days. This guy actor as if akabona ukuthi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa. Kuye everything ubona ku right nje, ubona ku right. Masingamthatha like uMalema since kumuntu wale kuma 1980s like sibheke ukuthi South Africa benjani like ngama 90s, early 2000, before izoba overcrowded ngama legal foreigners, especially ama Nigerians, ama Zimbabwean. South Africa was a better country back then, but since kufikile abantu labo yabona na ukuthi South Africa senjani. Akekho ngisho nempumputhe mhlambe yabona ukuthi sekunjani. So disappointed my president. I used to love EFF ngiyithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Ngibona ukuthi like izochinja our country, yenze a better country, but yo, I was usijikele these days, usijikele. I don't know ukuthi bakuphani labantu laba, I don't know. So whatever is happening right now, nalama allegations are against wena, like sesiwabone ngathi vele lezi zinto yazazi like we involve kulezi zinto lekukhuluma ngakhona, because you are defender those people ngayo yonke into nayo, you are defending them. So the way kwenzeka khona kubonakala as if vele unesandla. We don't know who was your party. The way right now sibona ngakhona bonakala as if unesandla kuyo yonke lento yenziwa ama foreigner la eSouth Africa. Mr. Malema, I'm so disappointed. How can you say like good document ama foreigners ohlala eSouth Africa? Uyayazi ukuthi South Africa benjani back then? South Africa before figure those people benjani South Africa? South Africa beyinhle irrespect of amanye ama country, but these days have you ever like when like you are traveler Mr. Malema, you are traveler ya kuzo zonke lezi local like kuyo yonke indawo la eAfrica, kuyo notice ama town wala bantu labo ukuthi kanjani? The way labantu babudlapha ngakhona, labantu abavila ukulahla ipampas just la around them nje khona la eminyango bachubeke nelife as if akuna something wrong. So ufuna iSouth Africa ibe njalo. Abantu mabazama ukulwa abalwela country yabo ukufix country yabo, when are you against them? Usayida nalabantu bokufika. Caca ndothi kahle kahle umephi, caca ukuthi umephi ndoda. Caca ukuthi kahle kahle umephi. Umephi sivula amabhoda avulelelwana amabhoda, because amabhoda ngalesikhathi vela savalekile kusese straight. Bengekho yonke lento yenzekala. I'm so disappointed Malema kuwe. Okay, it's fine because when uhlala le kuBosantini le ugadiyo nama bodyguard. What about the ordinary people abangana ama bodyguard abahlala emakazi? So uthi kwenzakaleni ngabantwana babo? Because when I know good very well abantwana bakho bayagadwa lapha khona. Akekho umuntu ongabathinta abantwana babo. What about abantwana bethu? Ukwenzakaleni ngabantwana bethu bafe like isemathuneni every now and then thina sisemathuneni? What about this nyawupe secwele ibulala abantwana? Uthi in your future abantwana babhizinesi nyawupe. That's why ngithi mina njengoba umuntu wangu 1980 something, asibuyele back to early 90s, late 90s to even early 2000, before this thing ingena deep emalokishini la eSouth Africa ukuthi bekunjani. Hayi khona ndoda, kumele ucace ndoda ukuthi umekuphi, kumele ucace. Just disappointed ndoda as a country. I think lama followers wakho like ama-members wakho lapha kwi-FF sebakhona nje cause nje abazi nabo ukwenzakala sebakhona nje lapha but ba-disappointed. So ndoda tshintsha ingqondo zakho ucace ukuthi umephi. Sinabantwana nje nabantwana bethu bona bafa now and then. Hayi khona mali. Hayi khona. Mina ngikhulele eKasi mina. La ngikhulele khona ama-tuck shop. Buthola ukuthi i-tuck shop ku-section E1. Ma uthola i-tuck shop, ama-tuck shop manje estradini uthola ama-tuck shop ayi-5. Strat nesi-1. Mina mangikhula i-tuck shop beyiba 1 ku-section la ngikhulele khona. But manje we have more than 5 ama-tuck shop estradini. Yini? Ma-Pakistan. Abantwana bafana now and then. Babulawa izinto ebazidla lapha. Come on, caca ukuthi umephi Mr. Malini. Caca ukuthi umephi.
And who take half payment, whereas I know Rijo, this is the minimum wage in my country. Ikwere know the minimum wage of a country. So you are trying to have us accept abantu who are fucking up the country. And if there's anyone who should be elected as a president, it should never be you, bruh. When province to province, but voting for you, we will never do it, Baba. You are the worst option ever. My brother, you are the worst option. You imagine South Africa, Julius Malema president. Imagine the nonsense like South Africa we think right now he's okay with foreigners roaming around, raping a woman, doing all those kind of stupid shit. Yeah, by defend. The next time when they take over South Africa with a military coup, because all these things they are going to affect the general public, not him. These politicians, they live in gated communities too. When they can anytime if they have to. Stop listening to these fucked up politicians like Julius Malema. They live in gated communities too. They are always guarded 24/7. That is why half of the time they just be doing stupid shit on TV too, just in front of the camera, as if it us now my feelings, as if we don't understand what's happening. How do you go on TV too? Like a few years back, you promised us, you deal with this matter. You did not, you jackass. Then now you're starting to appear again on TV and you're telling us we should now leave them. So, we are your babies. You think if today robots are jump, jump, and then after 2 days robots are jump, or half. For a film momentum, robots are to very fine. Then cause I want to devote to the tower and I got election, and on Wira. Robots are Mandova about Marata and Mandova, and when I to Rabasha. Since my future Jube, Gumutan, me bra, Jube Gamatangi, me bra, Jube Gidichi, as you see me. And no hanya nanya naman ko sakatakan sa lipitur. Ano di na karlo na ugon. Maragoso le politician na stela. Sala wana ka politician na DJ awen. Wena useless grot manaka. Na re na mo mpeng ye ba reng ke verina. Ye fanya o ira service delivery o re tlatse o tlo ibetheka mo utlo lo tlhatletse peleke. O rasa o na le maaka bothata. And o ka se be president wena. You are not supposed to be president of South Africa. Umsebenzi wakho wena uchubeke wenza ama rally usenza ngathi wazi kakhulu usenza ngathi umgabe was your best friend uphaphe nje. That's the least that you can do. Yakufanela lo. Anything besides that, take out the names of South Africans. Hey my nigga, stop talking about anything South African. Leave us out of it. Or not want it with confidence or when I want to be the Zimbabwean president. But now in the leaders in Zimbabwe, they don't even fucking like you. They are telling you how the charity begins at home. While you are busy trying to advocate for foreigners, who is advocating for people in your own country? You are a stupid leader, Julius Malema, man. Just because you live in a gated community, you wanna get us in trouble, those of us who don't live in gated communities, because when the war starts, or which is called civil wars, so to say, when this kind of shit starts, who do you think is going to affect the most? It's not even going to affect a single politician too. But when as a general public, it's going to affect you. You like it or you don't, bruh. It is that way. I mean, fuck EFF. Every fool follows. That's what EFF mean. iyocala every F yokugcina follows, every full follows. Ubheke wonke umuntu ofollow EFF. They are not politically conscious. Most of them, they're stupid. Hey, hello. Don't do that. Axi song is very what? No, bra. I don't tell him popo kamu. I was ready to. I don't say serious, me bra. And I don't vote lo ga re serious. Ra ka se vote le wena. Yo na ba re vote tse wena. Chomi ya zume holo. Sa le betha zaka hape le ra le bana. Ara le bana me bra. La ka botsa ma 2000 di maka le re ma 2000 di tlela as politicians se seng rena. A re na re tlhare na re le bona me bra le sambashira la bona na le tsena ka barampa politiki. Next thing le thomo digira ba dingwana ntse re rapeletsa or le service delivery mareta lena le useless lena le phela family tsa lena fela. That's the only thing a politician iphilela mo South Africa, their own firm. Whereas as a politician you wala balo ro sign in office in Jago senela for what? To serve the general public. But you people are no longer serving the general public. Kutlwe mfano mongwe a re Julius Malema best leader ka metha ka mpama wa itse wa our best leader was Timbombo wena was Timbombo, when you're going to divide by mo South Africa and you're going to make us fight within ourselves. You are a stupid leader, my bro. And I don't even know why ENCA or why SABC they're even giving you attention, bruh. Aye. First and foremost, your political party is not a state-owned entity. It's nonsense. So they shouldn't even be giving you coverage on a state television. Nah, they shouldn't be doing that. Every state network should cut your stupid ass out. Should only be ANC members. We don't need your party. Stop thinking that you are better. You're not better. We are okay with the old parties, bruh. Or now your agenda keeps changing every day. So we don't even know what have you planned for this country. So you are full of cack. So you belong in the toilet, and I think it's okay that we leave you there in your politics in the toilet. Amen. Press. Yeah. Uzi. Why is it that Uflo Shivambo? Uvaile ku EFF. Why ntanga what is it that is killing his vibe in that political party? We are phone straight, teacher. We are Malemampo slide. We are phone B. Stimbombo. So, Scottish politicians in South Africa are Tela. Everyone one by two. We are P. Kerle Shibambo Tamail ku EFF. Ubo no Hrotman and like Stimbombo. Oe, Nagaji Gunyosala Gomara. Ejo, now I got my EFF party about Hovolagata. Because everybody who follows EFF, they are bitter. They feel like killing people. They think South Africa owes them. They think they own something and they don't own shit. They don't own shit. That is what happens when you have an ignorant leader. You also become ignorant. But EFF are winning in South Africa. Except useless political party. It should always be ANC. But no matter what we say ANC did or fucked up, it's fine. Let's keep voting for this political party. Because remember, Joe, we cannot blame ANC for the cack that maybe Mr. Honorable President Ramaphosa or Nzama under their name. We cannot blame ANC. We blame him. Because we don't know how is the next leader going to treat us, Mafetu. Yeah, ANC. Remember that. And there's also this thing you guys think that if we vote out ANC we so better. No, there's a lot of political parties, but always consider ANC first. It does not matter. No matter how corrupt they are, they never fuck up the system, so it's okay. So they fucked up the system. What system did the ANC fuck up? The system was always fucked up. SA system has always been fucked up. It has always been fucked up. Remember, the system was never meant to serve the black person. It was always for white people. So before you blame ANC for certain things not going your way as a black person in South Africa, remember the system was fucked up from the get-go so that it does not serve you as a black person. It serves the white person. Remember that shit. How? You only got your fucking whatever freedom.
Julius Malema and the EFF want for South Africa to not have borders so that African nationals can come and pour into South Africa. So that aba bantu bathengisa iziyobisi, aba bantu bathengisa drugs apha to come into our country benze intando yabo simply because they are African like us, simply because they are black like us. He doesn't want Nigerians, Zimbabweans to be deported back to their countries because it's xenophobia. To the people that are voting for EFF, guys, are you voting for EFF? Kuba nivumelana nayo okanye nivotela ntoni EFF? Because this man and his political party, they are proving to you into yokubana they don't care about the safety of the South African people. Because why would you be advocating and wanting for illegal foreigners in South Africa to be documented? Ekubeni ba abantu besibonisa into yokubana abalikhathalanga ilizwe lethu. They do not care about the South African people. They do not care about the South African economy. Bona xa bazele apha uzokwenza impambano bafumane le nto bafumane imali bathena our country into a chaos. If there's one thing that the EFF political party has proven, it is proven that it is not for the South African people. Ayibakhathalanga abantu baseMzantsi Afrika. It is an agenda that is against the South African people. uMalema nombutho bakhe abayixabisanga into ethethwa by the South African people. Baxabise qha into yobana thina masingagxothi amaZimbabwe namaNigeria, masibanike amaphepha aze bavumelwa ngabahlali beSouth Africa. How is it that you care more about the foreigners, abantu bangaphandle, more than you care about abantu balapha ngaphakathi? Iphinde ke ninake lo muntu nimvotele. Are you voting for EFF kuba nibona my EFF is for the South African people, is advocating for the South African people? Okanye nivotele EFF kuba nicapukile ANC? Nivotela EFF kuba nibona my EFF iyasebenza yenza into enongqondo apha eSouth Africa? Okanye nivotele EFF kuba nicapukile ANC? Ndingathitheleli ANC, but I'm just curious.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Yo guys, my members say EFF had this solar why they were voting for EFF, why they voted for EFF. Kesana people are saying they had so much hope Julius Malema ukuthi angayishintsha le country angenda kube nelishintshe South Africa, but people are saying ukuthi isaze sawakhalela mavoti ethu okudlala ngawo lokungaka nangumuntu asigila defending ma foreigners. Ngisho noma simtshela ukuthi asibafundi labantu eSouth Africa, he doesn't listen. Usitshela ukuthi they are our African brothers and sisters. People are saying ukuthi baze badumala, baze baphoqeka, waze wabagila Julius Malema. Some are even saying ukuthi they now believe ukuthi all the allegations labekiwe wona uMalema vele kusho ukuthi aliqiniso, because why abadefenda kangaka abantu bokufika? Why abadefenda kangaka? People are saying ukuthi uMalema is destroying South Africa and when the foreigners go ukuthi asizelele, because now they know ukuthi uMalema got their back, so bangazelela baqhubeke baphaphe. They know futhi ukuthi they're gonna vote for EFF because banema ID lathengiwe guys goning South Africa. People are constantly like they're just complaining man about uMalema, and for some reason he doesn't care. Lo babe utikhathalela yena nento lefunwa nguye kuphela. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time. I'm signing out. Goodbye.